गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। सी आज हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं बेटा, न्यू चैप्टर्स शुरू कर रहे हैं आज का क्लास में, दैट इज़ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड पीरियाडिक प्रॉपर्टीज। सी लास्ट क्लास वी आर ऑलरेडी completed biomolecules. Today we are going to discussing what new topic, that is from inorganic chemistry, that is called classification of elements and periodic properties. Classification of elements and periodic properties. Periodic properties. First of all, now I am going to discussing in the chapter development of periodic table. We will discussing now first development of periodic table. Development of periodic table. See, many scientists are given different types of statements to develop the modern periodic table. So let us start now one by one laws. First law, which is called Dauber-Neat triodes. First law, which is called Dauber-Neat triodes. Dauber-Neat triodes. See, according to him, when elements are arranging in increasing order of their atomic mass, elements arranging according to Dauber-Neat, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass of group of three elements. Group of what? Three elements. Group of three elements found. See, after arrangement, Dauber-Neat is found, identify the atomic mass of middle element is equal to, it is a arithmetic mean of first and third element given. So this is called what here? Dauber-Neat triodes. According to Dauber-Neat triodes, elements are arranging increasing order of their atomic mass. See, he found, what he is observed now here, after arranging elements in increasing order of their atomic mass, he found the atomic mass of middle element. पर suppose A, B, C three elements ले रहे हैं हम, A, B, C, these are three elements. A, B, C, these are three elements. They are arranging in increasing order of their atomic mass. Increasing order of atomic mass. The atomic mass of middle element, that is B. Mass of B is equal to, it is average of mass of A plus mass of C given. Therefore, mass of B is equal to mass of B is equal to mass of A plus mass of C divided by 2. Mass of A plus mass of C divided by 2. Some elements already I given. Listen, A, B, C elements are arranging in increasing order of their atomic mass. The atomic mass of middle element is equal to the average of first and third element is given. Some example I already given. but one more time I am explaining here. First example, I taken first example, lithium, sodium, what, potassium. The atomic mass of lithium 7, sodium is 23, potassium is 39. See, according to him, the atomic mass of middle element is equal to the average of first and third element given. Therefore, 7 plus 39 divided by 2. This is equal to 46 by 2, that equal to 23. So, lithium, sodium, potassium, this group of 3 elements is also called triads. This group of 3 elements are triads. In triad, the atomic mass of middle element is equal to the average of first and third element giving. The average of first and third elements. See, some more example I discussing now. Some more example for Dabarni triads. What? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium I discuss. Beryllium, what? Magnesium and calcium. The atomic mass of beryllium is 9. Beryllium 9 taken. Magnesium 24. Next calcium what? 40. So these are example for Dabarni triads, beryllium and magnesium and calcium. The atomic mass of middle element is approximately, not exactly equal to, sometime approximately also coming. The atomic mass of middle element is equal to the average of first and third element telling. Average of first and third element. Now some more example I discussing. Calcium, strontium, barium. One more example. Some more example I given already. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium given. According to Dabarni triads, the atomic weight of middle element equal to average of first and third element is given. See, some more example I already discussed. Once again I am repeating here. Listen here. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. One more example given. Calcium, strontium, barium given. According to Dabarni, the atomic mass of middle element equal to average of first and third given. Calcium atomic mass given 40. Strontium 88 given. Barium 137. Some example I discuss for Dabarni triads. Calcium, strontium, barium. Some more example given what? Some more example: phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. SB. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Phosphorus 31, antimony 75, A120. This is 31, 75, 120 given. So these are the Dabarni triads already given. Some more example I giving. Question asking what? Which of the following statement is correct about Dabarni triad? See, according to Dabarni triad, the atomic mass of middle element equal to average of first and third element. Some more example giving here. Chlorine, bromine, iodine already I taken. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Chlorine atomic mass 35.5. Bromine atomic mass 80. Iodine what? 127. One more example I already given. Iron, cobalt, nickel. It is also following Dabani triode. Later you check. So these are example for Dabani triode. The group of three elements, like that asking question, what better? Which of the following is called triads? Triad means group of three elements. He arranged their increasing order of their atomic mass. Check करना बेटा. Atomic mass of middle element equal to average of first and third coming. It is following Dabani, otherwise not following Dabani triode. Example: beryllium, magnesium, calcium. One more example first given. But lithium, sodium, potassium. Next calcium, strontium, barium. Next phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Atomic mass given. Next chlorine, bromine, iodine. Chlorine atomic mass 35.5. Bromine atomic mass 80, iodine 127. Next iron, cobalt, nickel. These are all are following Dabani triodes. Remember students, Dabani triode means statement याद रखना बेटा. Atomic mass of middle element equal to average of first and third element. Very good. Now exception cases. Now it is explained, it is valid only group of some elements. It is not applicable for all elements. It is not applicable for all elements. It is applicable for group of only some few elements given now here. That's why this law also having some limitation. But suppose same law it is not applicable for group of these three triodes. These three elements, for example, one exception also there here. It is not applicable what beta? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine given. Fluorine atomic number what? 19. Chlorine atomic number 35.5 given. This is 80. According to Dabani triode, this group of three elements are called triodes. See, according to him, the atomic mass of middle element equal to approximately equal to what? Average of first and third ana beta. First and third ka average nikalo beta. What answer? 19 plus 80 divided by 2. 99 by 2. Approximately 48.5. See, it is not validating. So it is not approximately equal to middle element, middle atomic mass of element. That's why this is not Dabani triode. Question asking, which of the following what triodes show Dabani triode? A option lithium, sodium, potassium. B option, for example, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. C option, calcium, strontium, barium. Now D option, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. It is not showing. Like this type of question asking in a classification of elements based on laws. Which pair following laws? Check karna bas. Atomic mass also giving in the question. Just to have to check. Simple question. Last year number of proton, number of neutron, one question given, a simple question. Like that type of question asking, sir, now you don't neglect this type of question. Which pair is following Dabani triode? But this law also having some limitation. It is explained only some limited amount of triode. It is not explained for all elements. Now second law giving, that is given already. Once again I am writing. Other students are not on that one. Disturb हो गए ना बेटा ऑनलाइन में. Now second law, Newland octaves. Newland octaves law. Whoever not written, once again you write down. According to Newland, once again write down. According to Newland's, when elements are arranging, according to Newland's, elements are arranged increasing order of their atomic mass. Increasing order of their atomic mass. See, Newland also taken better elements. He arranged the increasing order of their atomic mass. Every 8 elements are showing. See, observation. Every 8 element. 8 elements showing. Every 8 elements show similar property with the first element. See, every 8th element shows similarities or similar properties what with the first elements, with the first element, like musical notes. भारतीय संगीत स्वर ही है ना बेटा, वो संगीत स्वर का उन्हें नकल मारे, उन्हें कौन, न्यूलैंड्स. इन सरीगामा पदनी सा फर्स्ट 8th सा एंड फर्स्ट सा रिपीट हो रहा है बेटा. संगीत स्वर में सारीगामा पदनी सा है ना बेटा, ये 8th सा फर्स्ट सा रिपीट हो रहा है. वो रिपीटेड ये संगीत स्वर का नोट्स का उन्हें देके ये ला उनका आइडिया है बेटा. Here also what elements arranged him. He arranged the elements increasing order of their atomic mass. 8 elements are showing similar properties because of similar electron configuration, like that. So many reasons are there, we will discuss that one. Here except that time noble gases are not found. Whenever Newland was given this law, that time there is no noble gases on earth crust. So without except noble gases, elements, some elements, few elements taken beta. Is law also not applicable for all what beta, all elements which are present in the periodic table. It is not applicable. Some elements के ये law valid है बेटा. See, except to noble gases. Why? Because of the noble gases are not found. For example, हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं बेटा lithium. Lithium next after lithium beryllium. Next boron, carbon. Next nitrogen beta. Next nitrogen. Next fluorine. Neon is not found. Now oxygen. After nitrogen, oxygen. Next to fluorine. That time neon is not found. Next what? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Next silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. After chlorine, argon आना, but argon is not found. Noble gas elements. Next to potassium. Next to calcium. देखो बेटा, lithium atomic mass. Compulsory you have to remember at least these elements. Atomic mass of lithium is 7. Beryllium is 9 atomic mass. Beryllium 9. Boron 10. Carbon 12. Nitrogen 14. Oxygen is 16. Fluorine is 19 atomic mass of fluorine. Sodium atomic mass 23. Magnesium is 24. Aluminium 27. Silicon 28. Phosphorus 15. Sulfur 16. Chlorine 35.5. Potassium is 39. Phosphorus here wrong written. Very good. Atomic mass na. Atomic number written me. 28 A 31. 32. 35.5. 39 here 40. Every 8 elements are showing similar properties, I am telling, with the first element because of similar outermost electron configuration, like that. So many reasons are there, we will discuss now. And first and 8th elements are metals, like that. And first and 8th elements are non-metals. Similar properties of elements is arranged in groups, in group wise and period wise, like this arranged beta. But according to here Newland octets law, 8th elements are showing similar properties with first element. For example, this is first element, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Seventh ये 8th element mean first and 8th. First and 8th elements are showing similar properties. For example, first element lithium taking, 8th element sodium, mean lithium, sodium showing similar properties. For suppose first element beryllium taking now. When you take first element beryllium is similar property with the magnesium, like this. Now first element boron taking now. Boron similarity with the aluminium, like this. First and 8th elements are showing similar property. Question asking what? Which of the following correct statement about what Newland-Octaves law, or which of the following elements are following Newland-Octaves law? Statement types question. See, according to Newland, lithium, sodium showing similar properties. It is correct. According to Newland, beryllium, magnesium showing similar properties. It is correct. Why? Because of first element, eighth element similar bole une. But this statement is valid only up to calcium. After calcium is not able to explain. Why? Because of there is no idea. पर्सन का आइडिया नहीं है, न्यूलैंड्स का आइडिया नहीं है भाई. वो टाइम पर उनका थोड़ा कम आया बेटा नॉलेज. अभी कंप्यूटर नॉलेज आया बेटा. वेन एवर प्रेजेंट ऑन न्यूलैंड ऑन अर्थ का देर इज नो कंप्यूटर है, बट परफेक्ट नहीं है बेटा कंप्यूटर. क्लियर हो गया ना बेटा? सी बेटा आज सिग्नल नहीं है ना, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम रहते है बेटा, दुनिया का प्रॉब्लम है वो. क्लियर करो थोड़ा, चेक करो बेटा. It is valid. Question asking what? Newland-Octaves law valid up to which element? Answer? Calcium. Enough. Newland law is applicable elements which is having atomic number up to 40. कैसे भी पूछ सकते बेटा. Atomic not atomic number, atomic mass. Atomic mass up to 40 बेटा. Clear करो बेटा. According to Newland, fluorine and chlorine showing similar properties. Now I am taking fluorine is a first element taking now. Fluorine first element लिए तो eighth element कौन आता बेटा? Chlorine. Chlorine showing similar properties according to Newland's law. One point you have to remember, it is that time noble gases are not found. Remember my dear students. See, whenever Newland's law is not able to explain what beta properties of noble gases elements having some limitations. Because of whenever Newland is given, that time there is no noble gas and is explained up to calcium. After atomic mass of 40 number elements he is not able to explain. That's why Newland's also having some demerits hai beta. Demerits hai beta. That point I don't written, all are written na? Very good. Noble gases are not found. Noble gases are not found. Newland's में लिखना बेटा. Noble gases are not found. Important point. Noble gases are not found. Next, this law is valid up to calcium. In bracket atomic mass up to 40. Up to 40. Next heading, Lothar-Meyer curve or Lothar-Meyer classification. Lothar-Meyer's classification. Lothar-Meyer classification. See, elements are classified beta. See, according to graph beta. Is taken one graph beta. It is the graph, the plot between what beta atomic volume versus atomic mass. Is taken different types of many elements taken beta. Is taken element beta. Every element having atomic volume and its atomic mass also different. Some few elements taken beta here. Now graph लिए बेटा. Lothar-Meyer graph लिए बेटा. One plot draw करे बेटा. That is atomic volume versus atomic mass. See, elements are classified through graph beta. That is called Lothar-Meyer curve भी बोलते हैं. कर्व से elements classify करे बेटा. Similar properties of the elements are occupying similar position on the curve. Similar position on the curve. For example, 4 students are sitting only one bench. 4 student का property same है. पर suppose 4 student का easily separate कर रहे हैं. After exam 170 marks आ रहा है. 10 students का हम easily separating section division doing. Like that here also. Similar properties of the elements were occupying similar position on the curve. अगर similar position में है बेटा curve में, those elements are easily separating by using which curve sir? Lothar-Meyer curve. Lothar-Meyer curves are coming what beta when plot drawn between atomic volume versus atomic mass. Atomic volume y axis में taken बेटा. Atomic mass x axis में taken for different types of elements. Curves are coming, beta. We know what mathematics, according to mathematics, how to draw the curves. You know, graph is obtained, beta. Based on that graphs, explain now properties of elements. One point I don't, beta. According to Latham-Meyer curve, elements are classified. Elements are classified. Classified. When plot drawn. When plot drawn. When plot drawn between atomic volume versus atomic mass. See, atomic, sir, how atomic volume is coming, beta? Density of atom. Density is equal formula what? Mass by volume. If you know mass and density, automatically volume coming. Therefore, volume is equal to mass of atom divided by density atom. In question, mass giving, density giving, you will easily find out in volume. Whenever you know volume, now I am taking volume versus atomic mass graph ले रहे हैं बेटा. Different types of curves given बेटा experimentally. Based on that curves, Latham-Meyer separated the some elements. He did classification of elements. What are those important elements given according to our syllabus? According to NEET, whatever important elements I will explain now. Just you have to remember first point क्या है बेटा main important here. Graph is taking atomic volume versus atomic volume y-axis में लिए बेटा, atomic mass x-axis. How atomic volume is coming beta? From density of atom. Density of atom equal mass of atom divided by volume of atom. Volume of atom is equal mass divided by density of atom beta. Now I am taking curves. Now when atomic volume I am taking on y-axis, atomic volume taken on y-axis, atomic volume versus atomic mass. Like different types of curve given are like this. Generally I am writing like this. For suppose like is given, experimental like this. Generally roughly I am writing like this. See what we is observed beta, the peak position of the curve. Generally top points are called crust, bottom points are trough. These positions are called peak position. See whenever I am taking some elements taken beta une, x element, y element, z element like that taken, any elements taken beta, element to element atomic volume also changing, mass also changing. Similar properties of the elements are occupying similar position on the curve. For example, lithium, sodium, first group elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. The first group elements are found where beta? A peak position of the curve. Question direct पूछते बेटा. According to Latham-Meyer curve, what is the position of alkali metal? Answer: peak position of the curve. ये याद रखना. Question direct बोलता हूँ ने. What is the position of alkali metal in Latham-Meyer curve? Answer क्या होना बेटा? Peak position. Now halogens are arranging in increasing order of their atomic mass. In increasing. They are present in increasing, mean ascending or descending. Ascending order. See, halogens are arranged better in ascending order. For example, here fluorine ले रहा है बेटा, fluorine lies here chlorine, next here bromine, next here iodine, like this going now. Alkaline earth metals are arranging descending order. For example, here beryllium, here magnesium, beryllium, here magnesium, here calcium, like is going. Here strontium, next after strontium, barium, like this. Now at bottom of the curves, At bottom of the curves, metal halide and transition metals are occupying. Very simple. Only 5 points are there बेटा. बताओ. Alkali metal बोलते हैं हम. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Where present? Peak position. Halogens are ascending or descending? Just ये word याद रखना बस. Alkali metals are arranging peak position बेटा. Peak position, top position. Halogens are arranging where बेटा? Ascending order. Now alkaline earth metal बोलते हैं हम. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium. They are present in, they are arranged in descending order. Now metal halides and transition elements, they are present at the bottom of the curve. At bottom of the curve, transition elements are metal halides. Metal halides. Transition elements are metal halides. Important points लिखो बेटा. First point, according to Lather-Meyer curve. Sometime like this also giving sir graph giving. Which of the following graph is correct? Elements ऐसे mention करते हैं उन्हें. Which statement is correct? It is correct or this graph represent correct or wrong asking. Just points you have to remember. Sir, alkali metal present in peak position. याद रखना बेटा. Halogens are present in ascending order. Alkaline earth metals descending order. Metal halides and transition elements at bottom position of the curve. Write down first point. First point फटाफट लिखना बेटा. What alkali metals? Shortly writing here. Shortly writing. Whoever not written, take this one. Whatever I am giving. See alkali metal. Alkali metal बोले तो lithium, sodium, what? Potassium. Lithium, sodium, potassium. Like this. Potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Like this. They are called alkali metal. Telling now. Alkali metal. Metals are present what beta? Peak position. Peak position. Second point, alkaline earth metals, beryllium, magnesium, short में write down beta, calcium, strontium, barium. These are called alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Earth metals. They are arranging what beta? Ascending order or descending? Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. याद रखना बस ये points. Next, halogens are arranging ascending order. Halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, lies. They are called halogens. Halogens. Halogens are arranging ascending order. Ascending order. फटाफट लिखो बेटा. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछते बेटा. ये मेन पॉइंट्स है किन के लिए बेटा? ये व्हाट? Lather-Meyer कर्व. सी ये पीक पोजीशन, ये डिसेंडिंग पोजीशन, ये असेंडिंग पोजीशन. वन मोर, metal halides and metal halides and transition elements, they are present at the bottom of the curve. Metal halides and transition elements. Point number 4, metal halides and transition elements found at bottom of the curve. At bottom of what curve? At bottom of the curve. सी नेक्स्ट हमारा पास आ रहा है बेटा मेंडलीव पीरियाडिक लॉ टेबल. सी आफ्टर लॉथर मेयरकर, she is also not able to explain for all elements, not taken graph what beta for all elements, only some few elements explain करे बेटा. Lothar Meyer also his laws also failed बेटा. It is his law, his curves also not applicable for all elements, taken only some few of elements. Now that's why one more scientist आ रहा है बेटा, number 4 or number 4. Number 4 Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table. See, it is based on atomic mass. Mendeleev periodic table also, it is based on atomic mass. First point, बेस्ड ऑन अटामिक मास. लाइन टू लाइन याद रखना बेटा, बस डायरेक्ट मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, जस्ट यू हाउ टू रिमेंबर. मेंडलीव पीरियाडिक लॉ बेस्ड ऑन अटामिक मास. अटामिक मास based on atomic mass. See, it is based on Mendeleev periodic law, Mendeleev periodic table. It is based on Mendeleev periodic law बेटा. Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law बेटा. See, according to Mendeleev periodic law, see beta statement what given now. The physical and chemical properties of the elements, their periodic function of atomic mass given. Physical and chemical properties of the element, their periodic function, mean elements are arranging increasing order of their atomic mass. After certain interval time, the properties of the elements is repeat हो रहा है बेटा. क्लियर करो. पीरियाडिसिटी बोले तो रिपीटेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज. सी इज ऑल्सो एलिमेंट्स टेकन बेटा, मेंडलीव टेकन एलिमेंट्स, ही अरेंज द एलिमेंट्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक मास. इज ऑब्जर्व्ड after reaching certain values, after certain time, certain interval time, the properties of the elements repeat हो रहा है बेटा. that is called, that property is called periodicity बोलते हैं हम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इधर 8 स्टूडेंट्स है बेटा हमारा पास. फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट से इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक मास में रखे बेटा. आफ्टर रीचिंग 8th स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट का 8th स्टूडेंट का प्रॉपर्टी सेम आ रहा है, वो फर्स्ट एंड 8th का सेपरेट करे उन्हें. दैट इज कॉल्ड पीरियाडिसिटी. बट एलिमेंट्स आर अरेंजिंग बेस्ड ऑन atomic mass, increasing order of their atomic mass. What is the statement of Mendeleev periodic law beta? What is the statement of Mendeleev periodic law? Physical and chemical properties of their elements are their periodic functions of their atomic mass. Mean whenever elements are arranging in increasing order of their atomic mass, see after certain interval time, the properties of the elements repeat हो रहे बेटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक ब्लैक कलर पर्सन है, इधर अरेंज कर रहे बेटे थोड़ा पर्सन का, 8th पर्सन भी एग्जैक्टली ब्लैक आ रहा है. मीन ये दोनों का सेपरेट करे उन्हें. कौन बेटा? उनका प्रॉपर्टी सेम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट पर्सन का एक्शन एंड 8th पर्सन का एक्शन सेम है, सेम आ रहा है, साउंड सेम आ रहा है. क्लियर हो गया ना. ये प्रॉपर्टीज के, ये एलिमेंट्स में करे, हम पर्सन में कर रहे हैं प्रयोग. सी उन्हें एलिमेंट्स में कर रहे बेटा. क्लियर हो गया ना बेटा. प्रॉपर्टी, ये प्रॉपर्टी का हम क्या बोलते बेटा? पीरियाडिसिटी बोलते बेटा. पीरियाडिसिटी बोले तो प्रॉपर्टीज रिपीट हो रहा है. द रिपीटेड प्रॉपर्टीज. व्हाई लाइक दैट रिपीटिंग? यू गेटिंग आइडियाज? You getting any doubts? Why repeated? Because of electron configuration, same electron configuration, same outermost electron configuration. So many reasons are there. We will explain that one later. But first of all, you have to write down which of the following statement is correct. ऐसे भी बोल सकते बेटा. ये statement important है बेटा. ये लिखो बेटा. Mendeleev periodic law. According to this law, physical and chemical properties of the elements. Physical and chemical properties of the elements. Physical and physical and chemical properties of the elements. Chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties of elements are their periodic functions of their periodic functions of their periodic function of their atomic mass, their atomic mass. याद रखना बेटा. See, according to Mendeleev periodic law बेटा, see बेटा, in virginal Mendeleev periodic table में there are 12 what groups are there बेटा, original में. After modified what बेटा, 9 groups given. But according to what, original, yes, whenever Mendeleev given beta first time, according to what, original what beta, MPT, Mendeleev periodic table. See beta, one point लिखो beta, according to original, according to original MPT table, MPT contains 12 groups beta, 12 columns beta, 12 vertical line is there beta, 12 vertical lines, vertical line 12 है बेटा. ओरिजिनल टेबल में 12 है बेटा, आफ्टर मॉडिफाइड 9 गिवन उन्हें. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी, ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में कितना वर्ड बेटा, वर्टिकल लाइन है. ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में कितना वर्टिकल लाइन, 12. दे आर कॉल्ड ग्रुप्स, दे आर कॉल्ड वर्टिकल लाइन्स आर कॉल्ड ग्रुप्स. इन ओरिजिनल वर्ड बेटा MPT contains, original MPT contain, Mendeleev periodic table contain 12 vertical lines, they are called groups. Now 7 horizontal lines, 7 horizontal 7 horizontal lines, they are called groups. Sorry, they are called what sir, periods. They are called periods, they are called what sir, groups. थोड़ा फटाफट लिखना बेटा. आफ्टर मॉडिफाई, क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछते बेटा, बिफोर मॉडिफाई, आफ्टर मॉडिफाई. देखो क्वेश्चन ऐसे बोले तो डेफिनेटली लॉस हो जाता मार्क्स, क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग करते तुम. देखो ये बिफोर है, बिफोर कितना है बेटा, कॉलम्स 12 है. नंबर ऑफ पीरियड सेम है बेटा, बिफोर एंड आफ्टर मॉडिफिकेशन आल्सो सेम है बेटा. हाँ देखो बेटा, आफ्टर मॉडिफिकेशन, there are 9 vertical columns, vertical lines, 9 groups. Direct I am writing groups, 9 groups and 7 periods. 9 groups and 7 periods. Nine groups and 7 period. इंपॉर्टेंट बेटी है. टोटल कितना ग्रुप्स है बेटा, 9 ग्रुप्स है बेटा. सी ईच ग्रुप बेटा, 9 ग्रुप स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट बेटा. सी बेटा 9 ग्रुप्स है बेटा. फर्स्ट ये मेंडलीव है बेटा, मॉडर्न नहीं. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड वर्ड बेटा, फोर्थ बोलो बेटा, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, ये सेवंथ बेटा, सेवंथ लाइक दिस, एट्थ है बेटा. आफ्टर एट्थ एक 0 ग्रुप गिवन बेटा. ऐसे टोटल 9 विथ इंक्लूडिंग 0 कितना बेटा, 9 ग्रुप्स. विदाउट इंक्लूडिंग 0 भी कितना बेटा, 8. सी ये आफ्टर मॉडिफिकेशन मेंडलीव गिवन बेटा. बट 8th ग्रुप में 3 एलिमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट बेटा. 8th ग्रुप ना डिवाइडेड, 8th ग्रुप में 3 एलिमेंट्स रहते बेटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन, कोबाल्ट, निकल. इनमें एथ ग्रुप में ट्रांसिशन एलिमेंट्स है बेटा, ट्रांसिशन एलिमेंट्स। बोलिए बेटा वंस अगेन। So total there are 9 groups are present with including 0 group in the Mendeleev periodic table. First group, second group. Now according to Mendeleev, with including what sir? 0 group. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, eighth, seventh, eighth and 0 groups. Now the 8th group contain 3 elements: iron, cobalt, nickel. Clear करो बेटा। According to Mendeleev, each group further divided into 2 subgroup बेटा। फर्स्ट ग्रुप है ना बेटा, फर्स्ट ग्रुप गिवन टू 2 सब ग्रुप गिवन उन्हें फर्स्ट ए बोले एंड फर्स्ट ए एंड फर्स्ट बी ऐसे ईच ग्रुप सब डिवाइड करे बेटा उन्हें से। फर्स्ट ग्रुप फर्स्ट ए फर्स्ट बी, सेकंड ग्रुप में भी क्या बोले उन्हें, सेकंड ए सेकंड बी बोले उन्हें से, सेकंड ए सेकंड बी, सेकंड ए सेकंड बी। देखो बेटा टोटल कितना ग्रुप सारा है, देखो बेटा थोड़ा देखो बेटा यार, ये लाइंस देखो बेटा, ये लाइंस टोटल कितना है बेटा देखो, फर्स्ट ग्रुप, सेकंड ग्रुप, थर्ड ग्रुप, फोर्थ ग्रुप, फिफ्थ ग्रुप, सिक्स्थ ग्रुप, सेवंथ ग्रुप, एट्थ ग्रुप। एट्थ ग्रुप में 1 2 3 कॉलम्स है बेटा, 3 कॉलम्स कमिंग सर एट्थ ग्रुप में। ऐसे पीरियाडिक टेबल में देखे तो मालूम होता भाई, इधर देखो टोटल हाउ मेनी, देखो बेटी यार ये फर्स्ट ग्रुप, ईच ग्रुप डिवाइड टू हाउ मेनी ग्रुप बेटा, 2 सब ग्रुप। फर्स्ट में फर्स्ट ए सेकंड ए, सेकंड ए भी सेकंड ए सेकंड बी, थर्ड में थर्ड ए थर्ड बी, फोर्थ में फोर्थ ए फोर बी। ये 1 2 टोटल कितना है बेटा, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 है बेटा। इधर तक काउंट करो बेटा, 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 7 इंटू 2 कितना 14, 14 प्लस 14 15 16 17 0 18, मॉडर्न में 18 है। देखो वही मॉडर्न में 80 सही बेटे, ये मेंडलीफ का मॉडिफाई करे उन्हें मॉडर्न वाला सर। इधर भी देखो तो 18 आ जाता बेटा। देखो बेटा ये ग्रुप ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट्स टेकन बेटा, टोटल इन मॉडर्न पीरियाडिक टेबल में 18 ग्रुप्स है बेटा। आफ्टर मॉडिफाइंग 18 लिए बेटा। देखो बेटा बट मेंडलीफ में व्हाट बेटा, फर्स्ट ए फर्स्ट बी, सेकंड ए सेकंड बी बोले उन्हें। टोटल काउंट करो बेटा, ये 1 2 3 4 टोटल 1 2 7 कितना ग्रुप्स बेटे, ऐसे काउंट करे तो 14 14 15 16 17 is 0 group 18. That one coming after modification, that is we are discussing in modern periodic table. Now up to here, write down sir, write down. Mendeleev periodic table बेटे ये पॉइंट राइट हो, मेरिट्स ऑफ मेरिट्स राइट हो, मेरिट्स मेरिट्स लिखना बेटा। इट हैज सिंप्लीफाइड एंड सिस्टमाइज्ड द स्टडी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड देयर कंपाउंड। सिंप्लीफाइड एंड सिस्टमाइज्ड द स्टडी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड देयर कंपाउंड। सिंप्लीफाइड बेटे ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई करे बेटा, सिस्टमाइज करे बेटे एलिमेंट्स ऑफ स्टडी ऑफ कंपाउंड। सिंप्लीफाई एंड सिस्टमाइज द स्टडी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड, एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड। next point, he was given gap for new elements which are not discovered at that time. He has given some gap for new elements. He has given gap for new elements, those are not discovered, those are not discovered, those are not discovered. Some elements giving beta, those elements I am giving is a very important sir. ए का सिलिकॉन, ए का सिलिकॉन बेटा, ए का सिलिकॉन, ए का बोले तो बिलो सिलिकॉन बेटा, ए का सिलिकॉन नेम गिवन बेटा जर्मेनियम, जर्मेनियम गिवन, जर्मेनियम गिवन नाउ। ए का अल्यूमिनियम, ए का अल्यूमिनियम गिवन उन्हें, ए का अल्यूमिनियम व्हाट बेटा, ए का अल्यूमिनियम गैलियम लिए बेटा उन्हें। सी मेंडलीफ डिस्कवर्ड व्हाट बेटा, गिवन गैप फॉर सम एलिमेंट बेटा, बट दीज एलिमेंट्स आर दैट टाइम नॉट डिस्कवर्ड बेटा, जस्ट गिवन फॉर गैप। सी हियर, ए का सिलिकॉन, ए का बोले तो बिलो सिलिकॉन गैप गिवन फॉर विच एलिमेंट कमिंग सर, जर्मेनियम, ये इंपॉर्टेंट। ए का अल्यूमिनियम इज कॉल्ड गैलियम, ए का अल्यूमिनियम इज गैलियम। ए का बोरान, ए का बोरान इज कॉल्ड स्कैंडियम, बोरान इज कॉल्ड, ए का बोरान इज कॉल्ड स्कैंडियम गिवन नाउ, ए का बोरान। नाउ ए का मैंगनीज, Mn manganese is called technetium given, सर ये इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, मेंडलीफ में ये कॉन्सेप्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते बेटा। मेंडलीफ इज गिवन फॉर गैप सम न्यू एलिमेंट्स दैट टाइम इज नॉट डिस्कवर्ड, व्हाट आर दोज न्यू एलिमेंट्स आस्किंग, दैट इज व्हाट बेटा, ए का सिलिकॉन, ए का बोले तो बिलो, बिलो सिलिकॉन इज का जर्मेनियम। ये कंपल्सरी याद रखना बेटा, like that you have to remember sir, ये सीता गीता रिमेंबर, सीता गीता एग्जाम में ऐसे रिमेंबर, सीता सिलिकॉन, ए का सिलिकॉन इज कॉल्ड गीता, गीता बोले तो जर्मेनियम, लाइक दैट रिमेंबर बेटा, एनी वर्ड यूज करो बेटा, हम लोग सीता बोले गीता आ रहे, क्लियर हो बेटा। हाँ अलग 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 ले बेटा, अलग ओके ना, ए का सीता और बेटा अलग। हाँ ईयर बीएससी बोलो, ये सीख बीएससी, बीएससी देखो बेटा, ये बी आ रहा है एससी आ रहा है, देखो बीएससी, बीएससी नहीं है एमटेक, देखो ईयर एमटेक, क्लियर हो गया ना, ये शॉर्टकट रिमेंबर सर। फर्स्ट सिलिकॉन, ए का सिलिकॉन इज कॉल्ड जर्मेनियम, ए का सिलिकॉन इज कॉल्ड जर्मेनियम गिवन, ए का सिलिकॉन बेटा, ए का बोले तो बिलो, बिलो सिलिकॉन, बिलो सिलिकॉन इज कॉल्ड जर्मेनियम गिवन, और बेटा ए का अल्यूमिनियम इज कॉल्ड गैलियम गिवन, ए का बोरान इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, स्कैंडियम गिवन, ए का Mn इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, टेक्नीशियम। क्लियर करो बेटा, राइट डाउन, क्लियर करो, ए का सिलिकॉन इज कॉल्ड जर्मेनियम, ए का अल्यूमिनियम इज कॉल्ड, क्लियर हो गया ना, लाइक दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, सीता गीता व्हाट अलग, व्हाट बीएससी नहीं एमटेक है, सो रिमेंबर बीएससी एमटेक, ठीक है। ए का बोरान इज कॉल्ड स्कैंडियम, ए का मैंगनीज इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, टेक्नीशियम। अप टू ईयर राइट डाउन, फटाफट राइट डाउन बेटा, ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है बेटा, मेंडली पीरियाडिक टेबल में ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, यस। Next one more. Mendeleev corrected the some atomic mass of elements. Mendeleev corrected atomic mass of some elements. Mendeleev, ये also important sir. Mendeleev corrected some atomic mass of elements or some element atomic mass, some elements atomic mass correction करे बेटा उन्हें, atomic mass, दोज एलिमेंट्स हम लोग ले रहे हैं बेटा यार, यूरेनियम, यूरेनियम, बेरिलियम, यूरेनियम, बेरिलियम, इंडियम, गोल्ड, प्लैटिनम, इंडियम, गोल्ड AU, प्लैटिनम PT. क्लियर करो बेटा. यूरेनियम, बेरिलियम, इंडियम एंड गोल्ड एंड प्लैटिनम. Any shortcut you have to remember. U, बीमन रखो, बीमन, इंसान, गोल्ड, प्लैटिनम. एनी नेम रखो भाई, हमारा एग्जाम में याद रखना भाई. क्वेश्चन आस्किंग व्हाट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग व्हाट बेटा अटॉमिक मास ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर करेक्टेड. ऑप्शन में डायरेक्ट यूरेनियम, बेरिलियम, इंडियम, गोल्ड एंड प्लैटिनम. क्लियर करो. So atomic mass of these elements are corrected beta according to Mendeleev periodic table. According to Mendeleev periodic table, some atomic mass of elements are corrected, that is uranium and beryllium and indium, gold and platinum. Okay beta, up to here once you read and come. Next class we will continue from here onwards. What merits also there. Next class we will discuss merits and demerits. These are merits beta, demerits in next class में discuss करेंगे. Thank you.